Hi everyone, in this video we will understand the difference between classic and modern control in Power App Canvas app. First, let's talk about classic control. Classic controls are the older controls in Power Apps. They are simple, stable and most developers are already familiar with them. They are mainly used for basic and traditional Canvas app. Let's look at modern control. Modern controls are newer controls designed for a better user experience. They look more modern, work better on different screen sizes, and offer more customizations compared to classic control. Now go back to our system. If I click on insert, so we can see controls here. If I click on this button, so this is the classic one. Will happen. So Microsoft introduced the modern control. So how to enable this feature? Like if I insert a text input, so click on that. This is also classic one. So text input that I can type text here. Let's enable the modern things and control. So click on setting icon and here we can find where we can enable the modern theme and control. So under the settings, click on updates. So under the new tab, we have modern control and themes. Now enable this feature and close it from here. Like if I go to the insert, so here we can see the icon look a little different because we have the modern control here. We can notice the button look is different, and if I click on this button, so it is a looking different properties. Like we have icon here, and if I selected this icon, so you can see it is visible here, and you can change the text. We have the layout here, and if you notice some properties are not here, like if we don't have the background color but we have the type, like so from here we can choose primary, secondary, outline and so on. We can choose the color palette, like if I select this one, now you can see the changes here. If don't have to choose the specific color, so we have the custom one, so it's help it but it does not give the specific color. Now let us check for another control, text input. As you know, I have already added this classic text input. Now I want to add a modern text input. So now you can clearly see the difference between them. In the classic text input, option like the clear button and enable spell check are available. But these options are not available in the modern control. Similarly, we have classic and modern date picker. The classic date picker offer basic functionality with limited styling, while the modern date picker provide a more responsive design, better visual, and there are more differences like this. In this video, I explained the difference between classic and modern controls, including buttons, text input, and date pickers. There are many more features and differences that you can explore your own.